You're trying to rickroll me? Fritzy? Because that definitely just closed everything, so here we are. Yay. Wow, what a productive three streams. I feel like that was a rickroll. Like, without actually being like a rickroll, you know what I'm saying? Here we are. I messed up. Did a bad. No, you're fine. Let's go to it again, because I exited that page as well. Oh, all the things we're learning today. I've just found 2 combinations of no more backseating. No, I appreciate your help. I just probably should stay away from the shortcuts or something. This again one more time. Probably not just one more time. It'd probably be many times. Out of curiosity, what if I just do this without audio? Because if it's Cloudinary, it should work. Then I put in any audio, but it's not working. That seems like an important. It's an old style. Wait. I've never used the debugger. What do you do? Alright. So, Cloudinary is not the issue, I think. Well, that is both a good and a... It's probably the same log, right? Wow, I didn't close this window. I'm surprised. Console tab is useful. Open where you enter any text. Alright. So I'm not putting anything in. I'm just submitting the query. Didn't do anything. Maybe it doesn't send unless I have some information. I wonder if this actually... Oop. No, it was slow. Okay. The log in VS Code or here? Because... in the browser. So, what else am I supposed to click here? Are errors? This part? Yeah. Wait. Application error. I've never done this before. Is that in this list? I don't see it. Oh. Keeping all of these. Wait, why am I struggling with this so hard? In the middle of the screen where the content gets. You're talking about like right here? Like this? No. Just wondered what this. Music is like sharp. Above accessibility. Oh. Oh. Oh, duh. Yeah, that means I have to go back to the VS Code though. Because it does the logs. Oh. Weird that I made this bigger and it didn't get any bigger. So my computer. Yes, did I do it right or wrong? Cannot read property audio of null. At 150. Oh. Second. What is the I want? Input. This is the audio. This is where the name's coming from. Cannot read the property audio. Wait a second, it's because we did the thing without sending anything. That's why it's saying, oh. Right? Pretty sure what the computer's saying here is I hate it. Hate it. Says it's not working. A progress explains what fails even. I did not spell it right. File uploads. As long as we can use it, right? This is not what I thought I was gonna be doing today. I was like, I'll just put in a fuck ton of words. And then I did this one and then it was like, lol. That's what it said to me. Okay, so it's doing the thing where it stuff. Will it work if it hasn't done, if it hasn't, there. Which is the old and which is the new? Ah. We're back to where we started. Must supply API key. This is a smile of happiness. No, so this was the old one, right? Where's the thing where I said something? Unless this is still the new one and it's overwhelmingly long. I think all this is think all of this is the new one. So it went regular path, and I went to the input path, which is PR. Did the CSS, and it's like, oh, ooh. And then this, that error. There's that. Something. I see. I don't know, which is weird. Like, I don't feel like I do. Like, it's supposed to be. I have it up here, right? Up here. This is what the docs say to do. And then you call Cloudinary right here. But it doesn't say API key or anything. It's it. Weird, because this code worked. Also, don't want to look at this on my own computer, as in like not through stream. Although we'll have to Heroku. That's that. Tough. Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. I was thinking I would copy. I wonder if it's beefing with await. Because it keeps saying unhandled promise rejection warning, right? Does it have a try and a catch, but doesn't await need? No, I think await. That method uses the API. So if you initially provide the credential, not valid. Only service. So whatever. So it is using it. Docs, documentation. For this, not documentation. says because async functions run with promises and Cloudinary SDK functions return with callback. Use a promise instead of a async await. That wouldn't be the problem, would it? So it is just the same thing, and it's just doesn't make sense. Right. Also, can we notice for a second how this is like a useful thing? You know, it says async await not working, and then on the side it says, "How can I create a mesh of closed shape?" What? What? It's 11 years old. No, it was asked 3 years ago. Oh my goodness, you scared me. Still, I probably should put something else. Alright, I'll go to the official documents. That's how people do. Ooh. I feel like I should not have it so big. There we go. Multitasking. Other type. File options. Callback. Right. I have that. This preset, I think it's a folder, right? Or no, it's the public ID. That one. Where I have that parameter. Resource type. So I have the right resource type. I haven't used the rest of these. Because async can be dot. tempFilePath. It's the only thing that's that. Wait, so what is tempFilePath referring to? I love how this is literally my project and I'm like are you validating Heroku is passing environment variable correctly? Heroku config and dash. You want it to be so like I think I mostly understand what you're asking there. I'm not. Except I did put in the they called edit in the settings that I have the config vars, and those aren't. I didn't pass any Cloudinary. I wonder if I should. I did the database. See if this. Oh yeah. It's not gonna fit nicely. I figured it multiple times. So many of the same things open. And no Cloudinary variables. Should be. I just put them in. Unless you're passing your app. So do you think it would work now that I've put it, like I put it in like Heroku itself? I would have to push the chain. No. A lot of T's in this entry. Oh my god. Rascal? You fixed it! We fixed it, all of us, we fixed it! What? Wait a second, now to check my Mongo. Why would it not need that before? I added 3 entries to it. Why? Yes, why? Shit, you learn when you're struggling. Sign in. Should work now. New push. Changing. Let's restart. It seems to be working. And database deployment. Wow, I'm not sure how to say your name. I'm just gonna say D. Thanks for following, D. Okay, wait a second. Database. Oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would get. What's up? How are you doing? How about D4? R2D2. Bless! God, look at it. It's so beautiful. Man, coding is a ride. Okay. What would you guys like to see more? Would you like to see me struggle through listening to clips of this language, Paiute, and writing down all this data that you see here? Or should we go struggle on the contact? Coding is fun in like a torturous way. But seriously, like, let me know which you'd rather watch, because I will go one way. Oh, I can't believe it works. So gratifying. Also, guys, do not eat popcorn slowly. It like disintegrates in your mouth, and then the little shell of the corn, the kernel, like gets stuck in your throat. I am D4 to a certain extent. Like, I'm self-studying / also with like a free online bootcamp called 100 Devs. What? Don't eat popcorn at all. You should know D4 is a staple of my diet. Normally I don't eat it so slowly. Anyway, I'm getting ready to search for a job, but I'm still learning a lot. This application is supposed to be like my main beautiful project, which it is. And now that it works, all right. Try hard to go to Fang. You know what? Honestly, I just want a job. You know, like cool if it's at Fang, but also cool if it's literally anywhere else that is like a healthy work environment and pays well. You know, like that's what I need. I need a supportive work, and I need just the first job, basically. 5 people who called me and stuff. All right, I haven't heard guys regarding whether you would like to see it or not, but I was doing it at the beginning of the stream and I don't think I really enjoy watching that, so maybe to do that. At least now we have 5 entries. Let's go struggle with the contact. Alright, here's the contact form. It looks beautiful. And it does work. It works, it just doesn't work with Heroku, as I'm using a Gmail account with Node Mailer. What thing are you talking about? What money thing? I don't got it. What is it? So Node Mailer works with Gmail, but not through Heroku. I'm hosting and like it does work, but like you gotta jump through a fuck ton of hoops to get there. And so the last like 3 weeks ago I was doing a fuck ton of hoops. It's early for you and you can't think properly. What time is it, D4? For me it is 7:11. Okay. Ah, you're 12 hours ahead of me. That means you're like in like an Asian time zone, right? / Australian of sorts, maybe? Okay. Contact in the future. How does the future look? Is it as desolate as the present? I shouldn't be sick like that. So like cries in 2022. Hopefully this year will be better than the two that preceded. Oh, no client connect. Minimize some stuffs. Tell me, Dom, tell me. Where did I put it? Oh no! Oh no! 2022 is pronounced 2022. Hope not. It's been a really long year because it absolutely has just been 1 year since 2020. Just like a really, 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 really long year that it just never ends. It's fine. It's okay. I remember the beginning of the pandemic and just like how different it was, but also like same. What am I doing? I'm looking for the contact form. Here we go. I have it minimized. Okay. Oh my goodness, I've been pranked by my... No, I wasn't clear. No, I've been pranked by myself. Cool. This is the... Okay, so... last time we worked on... I was doing this part. I was following like an online tutorial with Google Auth, OAuth 2. I'm sure. Let's test it though. Pretty damn sure it doesn't work. Surprise. Goodness. Some too much. Nerf. I was hoping it would work, but clearly a little too sided. Yeah, I was hoping to say email successfully sent to recipient, and then we would all say ooh, like that. Just have to remember the resource I was using a video. There was something and I googled something. I'd be shocked if that gibberish you typed was an actual sentence. Well, I mean, say like that. I don't know how to pronounce like ripple. Gibberish sounds different in different languages, and I think that it is async. It's just Google being anal. Like, I don't want no third party to do nothing. Oh my goodness, that was my music. I'm like trying to minimize page. Okay, this is the only page I have left. There were like 5 open, and it's Google not being. Yeah. Turn back on the musics. You had this problem. Did you fix it? How? Please tell me. I'm struggling through this. Music's back. It's slightly different. Look, Google OAuth 2. Developers.google.com. Google API console. Some type of security thing to enable it. And I like kind of have been going through the Google channels, but I don't know what I expected, but this is not it. There's no way I'm reading that. Ooh, I'm sure people have read it, but like, that is the exact same page, right? Can't remember it now. Story of all of our lives. You do a thing, you're like, damn, I'm amazing. I did the thing, and then you like forget the thing, and then you spend 2 hours still trying to fix it. This one? I think I might have to like not show you guys. I think it's gonna give me some. Alright, this is the place I was before. It looks like this. I'm gonna have to take it away again, but no secrets on this page. It's a big question mark. Dox my password. Joke's on you, I already doxed myself this earlier today. And then I changed the keys. Alright, I think I was using like a Google Answers or this thing. How to use OAuth to load me. Also, what does like docs come from? Does it come from like a bigger word? Is docs itself like a word in the dictionary? Everyone reveals it at some point. True. It was a good moment in my life. Move forward. It's internet. True. It's really funny because I feel like I have this like pattern of thinking something's not a big deal and then it ends up being a big deal. Case in point, the cloud. They announced the cloud, whoever, and it's like, I would want to store your stuff somewhere else when you could store it on. And now, like, I use the cloud a ton, and all of us do, and then I have these right here. Two. Secret, 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 secret. Ah. I have same. Have them. I hope this message gets through. But then they put the auth in mail. Oh no, they just split them up. Split them. Does it actually tell you how to do it here? Am I missing something? I think I'm missing something. Is OAuth 2 different? There should be. Why does this cat tree have anything? Why? Cat full of trees have to. OAuth 2. Not done that. Didn't do this though. I wonder if I need to do. enable you to create a project. Credentials. I did this thing that it's showing me. Okay. I'm on the APIs and services already. Credential. Did that. So I have one person that says web client ID secret, and then it's redirecting. Okay. Opening it. Open. Menu will open. Feel like you're gonna find yourself in the position I'm in. Start working on something difficult. Oh, absolutely. I don't think anyone can get away from it if you're. It does make you learn a lot more. Like, sucks. No. Is it? Own. Oh, I do not have it checked. Am I planning on participating in the next cohort? You didn't ask me that. I don't know. I haven't really thought about it. I think, like, I really need to get a job, and that's gonna be my main focus, and those classes are, like, long. But also, like, I would like to be there, you know? You know? Are you? Moral support, yeah. I mean, I've gotten a lot of people to join it, and I would like to be supportive for everyone. I just also have poor time management, you know? Or like, for example, like, most of my streams would take place during classes, because I stream on Tuesday and Thursday. Woof. I guess I could switch the days right now. Also, for the rest of you who don't know, free online bootcamp, stack web, JavaScript. It's starting on January 11th. If you want to join the Discord for the group, you just !Discord. Basically, it's this amazing person named Leon. It's their activism, and they just want to get a bunch of people jobs in tech. You know, like, make it a more inclusive place. That's how both Dom and I have learned. Okay, 10. But you're... Oh yes. Go. A bootcamp, you say? It's $3, as my sister used to say. My sister who is joining the free. highly. You're an invalid scope. You found cool, amazing peeps who you can stalk on Twitch and learn how to code. Community! I don't know if it's stalking as much as community. And I come to stream for the same reason. Like, it's so nice to have people who are chatting with me and helping me. And when I can help, me helping them. It's great. I appreciate all of you. Thank you for being here. My sister excited about the bootcamp? I think, like, yes-ish. She's working as a chemical engineer right now. So she's like working full time. So she's gonna do it more like casually, but like it just pays so well and is a much better work environment. Her best friend and her husband are joining, and they like straight up quit their jobs for it. So like, wow, damn. This is not working out for me. Oh, it's because I probably didn't type in HTTPS. I just did mail.google.com. Oh, indeed. Wait, was there another follow when I was looking away? Wait, who was it? Ah, Fritzy. Thanks for the follow. Glad you're still hanging out. Ah. Okay. Access denied. Your access is denied. I used the wrong email address. Should I be using like the email address that the project uses or mine, like Devi? I don't know. Maybe I'll be able to grant permission. Access denied. The developer hasn't given you access to this app. I think you should have access. Contact the developer. It says my email. It's my email that's trying to access it. What? Bro. You're the outro. Make sure that these details. Pause. Yes, I put a lot of effort into it, Fritzy. Like a lot of effort. A wall of green. Access type. Spot. Type. Huh. Open up. Thing that I'm doing. Notepad. Thing. You fucked up here, so I gotta write it down and go back. Well, a lot of people joined the program. Do you know how many? I don't know. But the post on Reddit had like 13,000 likes. Fuck. Wait, why is it intimidating? Question mark. Question mark. Not doing. Just knowing you're gonna get some guidance when you need it. That's true. Well, what's cool about this cohort is the last one was the first cohort, right? And so we had a couple experienced devs helping. And now all the people who have jobs and probably those who don't are gonna stick around and help. And I think that's great, you know, like supporting each other. It's all good. So happy it grew. Me too. I wanna check. Yeah, hell yeah. I think he would probably appreciate the help doing everything himself. I actually don't even know how to check how many people scored. Yep, I don't know. Where did I fuck up? But go here. Use your own credentials. It says you will need to list the URL https developers valid URL. Noah servers and popping off. Had to mute too many pings. Yeah, I did that a really long time ago, honestly. Discord drives me crazy. Like, it just is, like, you don't know where the sound is coming from. You know, you're on, like, 5 different servers, and there are, like, 15 channels on each server, and you just don't know. And it's that is my opinion of Discord. That being said, we do have a Discord. I don't know what to do with it. Do in Discord. Okay, it said to go to playground. Yeah, that's why when someone invites this, it's like a huge thing. It's really exciting in the way that, like, people in high school right now, like, can have like little like group thingies with their friends and class Discord things, and like that would have been cool to have. You know what I'm saying? Said list the URI. No, I did that. I wish I hadn't like half done this. You know? Back in your day, you just asked each other to go to cheap movie. You know what we did? I was not social in high school. In retrospect, I was super depressed in high school, and like whenever I think about it or the people that were there, I just get like really like depressed even now. And it's just so weird because I never realized when I was there. So people probably did stuff. Yay. High school is something. Right. Essentials. Okay, so it says that I need to list the URI that I listed. Good for me? Okay, so what is the problem? I wonder if I did this thing wrong, because I did that thing in the past. You know, they kind of like do not have this working very well in a smaller window. Makes me feel better about my non-responsive websites. I worked on my little pet website that I worked on yesterday, like 4 hours. I worked on the responsiveness, and it still has problems. On the maybe I should create a new thing of sorts. If I do, then I have to reset it everywhere. Fine, I'll reset it. Okay. Let's make a new thing. Person. ID. Says to me application type. Client 1. Okay. Now I'm creating. Now it's giving me my secret and stuff. But it's not doing this thing. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Wait. Wait a second. What is it saying here? It's saying we do this twice? They say go to credentials, do the OAuth client ID, and then they say now do it and click on the same thing and do the same thing. I don't think that they're saying what they think they're. Could be an API key, a client ID, or service. I wonder if I need that, because I think this has changed since it was. What changed since it was written? I'm gonna reuse new. Maybe it will work. Probably not. Could. And see. Yeah. And then authorize an API. Again, we're doing the same thing. How was my New Year's? Very boring. How was yours? Did. Oh yeah, I just chilled with my sister. Very quiet. Emily never really does anything for New Year's, and I kind of wish we did. I think I've done this. Play some video games. And he said, what'd you play? A lot of first-person shooter games. Never been able to get into them. Apex Legends. My brother plays that one a lot. How is it different than like Fortnite? Isn't it essentially the Fortnite? You gotta build. Build what? Can tell how much I know. I played a little bit of what's it called? Of the capture the flag one. No, not Call of Duty. It's like an what's it called? Really popular right now. It's free via Riot. No. It's it should be like on here, but like grayed out. Valorant. Yeah. Okay. Console OAuth consent screen, which I have not gone to. There's me. I don't do well with like high skill. There's a big learning curve because there are people who just play it. You know, play it all the time. How are you supposed to break into that? Okay, maybe this will work now. Give myself as a test. It did. Trust me, there's some shooter games that are not high skill. Which one? Not missing out. I like RPGs. I like stories. Here we are. Call of Duty. It's just crazy shooting. Is that all it is? And get back into games. What sorts of single player games do you like playing? Okay. Back in server.js. Some stuff made by Beth Seda. I don't know anything about that. What do they make? Skyrim. Hey, I've heard of that one. I have Oblivion. I got stuck in the tutorial. And then I stopped playing because I was stuck. Tutorial. Oh yeah, that made me feel a little better. I think anyone got stuck in a tutorial. I was like, how do you get stuck in a tutorial? Me? Client. That's the game. Very buggy. Yeah, they're older, right? I think I didn't really get into it because I was amazing, and now I'm playing Witcher 1. Oh my god, Witcher 1! Oh, still scarred from last time. Yeah, I want to play all of them. So I want to play 1 all the way, and I'll play 2, and then I'll play 3. I feel like I'm going to play 3 because I'm watching my cousin play it, and I just played it, and that's just a lot of witches. Or a lot of witches. Not enough Witcher. I did watch all of the new season of Witcher on Netflix over the break. I'm saying that like I'm like in K through 12. My breaks are arbitrary. I didn't like, it was fine, but also like there was a lot that was happening, and I was like, why are you doing that? Like, Vesemir's not a piece of shit like that. He would never do this to Ciri, and I'm not going to be more specific than that in case you haven't. But, like, and, like, I follow the Witcher subreddits, and they were all bitching about it. They were like, it doesn't follow the books or stuff. And I was like, psh, it's okay. And then, like, I don't even know the books, but I could tell there was a lot that was just different. Did you watch it? See, I like Witcher. I do. I didn't like Hamilton. I only read 2 books, and it just was like, saw the first season, liked it, kept comparing. Same. I love Henry Cavill. He's my celebrity crush, absolutely. But I don't feel like it's him, which is sad because he's such a nerd and tries to depict it accurately. I just like it. I just think of like video game Geralt. You know what I'm saying? He's just too thick, you know? Just thick. Not beautiful with hair like that. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I just like, there's like Geralt from game, and he growly voice. When I play Witcher 3 next, I'm going to get him. I have like subtitles. I think it'd add a lot to the game. Have that like, sort of element. Be cool. Okay, person says, this and body parsers deprecated. Say that. Oh, I think I need to do with this thing. Do it. Right? Somewhere here. This. Ooh, this. Okay. Can type. What? Hold up. OAuth, which is still I got. NPM pack. Tim, let's jump. Okay. I go. Okay. Equal new. Hey Dom, what have you been? You said you've been coding. What have you been coding at? Weren't you just barely breaking into JavaScript? How are you feeling? Okay. How's that been going? I have. Haven't really looked at it, but I have heard. This needs. Good. I think better. And we've been using Front End Mentor. Still. Secret. This I don't think work. They're just taking this completely out, it looks like. I've been playing around with CSS and HTML as well on Notepad. Damn. Interesting, like the different types of difficulty you face in front end versus. Interesting. Submit to find out how accurate you are. A front end mentor? Do you have to pay for it? Okay. What I want to do next is I want to learn React. So many people. Hold up. Why is this here twice? Okay. This is not in the correct order. Do that. They were gonna. Okay. Or just put it right here. And still define them higher. It's just that. You want to start creating more projects. Stupid. That, yep. Yes. I definitely learned better that way. Still feel like I have time to do it. Did this part. Tutorial problem. Yeah, there. I'm gonna go hard on coding this year and try and get a job for the year with. You know, Dom, I'm like constantly amazed at how much you do. You're doing a ton of stuff on like LinkedIn all the time. You're super active in like the Discord. Like you're doing really well. I wouldn't be surprised if you got a job for it, you know? Even just knowing. Especially if you're practicing and adding those projects to you. Did a transport sender. Well, thanks. I don't know why from me. I'm not particularly talented. But I don't feel like it needs talent. Okay, where are they getting this transport? So why am I saying that so much? You know what I'm saying? I do a lot too. Only since starting to do this. Stream, specifically. But it's been so great. It's done. Chris met me on one of Leon's workshops. You better understand who. Yeah, I remember that actually. I remember that. Have you been practicing? That was when you had just joined, wasn't it? Also, it's like so exciting to have people in the room with you get jobs. Like I worked a lot with Ross, Shara, and she just got a job, and it's like so great. And I also worked with Bjork. They got a job, and that's freaking great too. And I'm just so happy for everyone. I've been practicing? No. Nah, he'll be. I mean, have you started doing the coding challenges though? Let's see. Do. Thanks. I think it's good to remember like where you came from. Like there's someone on the stream like and they asked me how to make a basic web page. And like I had been in their spot, like I didn't even know where you opened up the code. You know, where did the coding happen on the computer? I didn't know what a text was. And when I found out, I was like I've tapped into the matrix or like whatever, you know? So we had them tap into that and then had set up like a live server and then went over very basic HTML and very basic CSS. And it was like, I mean, it was a trash website. It was the website I showed you earlier. Remember that we uploaded to Git? But like I could do that, no problem. And that was very exciting. I bet you could do that too, though. Yes, the one with like the purple tree or something. I would say fish sticks. For some reason I just say that. Postman. Alright, let's run this server. It hates us. It might to be an op. That's what the lady said to do, though. Maybe Google APIs? Have y'all ever seen the account? Look at this npm package. Const require So I found the Google APIs and it says you would just require, you know what, I didn't require it. Maybe that's the thing I need to do. Rude. How about this? Found that one. Which makes sense because I'm looking at the documentation. say good stuff. Second, separate script and monkey file. But it's crafted by Google. I was gonna. It makes it somewhat legit, right? Hold up, look at that. It's just slightly different. Google is everywhere. See you when you sleep. Know your happy. No interest. I'm better. Very scary Google. But not incorrect. I liked it. I wonder if I do it the same way. Add. Not incorrect, that's why it's scary. He liked it. Wow. Did you see me just brain that by myself? What was I doing before? Doing a thing I know that I was. Oh, I was trying to log Postman. Postman. Now Postman is something I didn't get until I was doing this. I was just like, why would we use this? And then I needed it. No, goodness, that's what I did. What is my port? 8,000, I believe. I'm gonna check really. 1,000. Yep. Should read, but tag. Okay, so about freelancing, I got really excited. Like, I got like a really good deal, you know, like I was going to do some stuff, and then I like asked them, and then they like ghosted me, and then they finally responded like, sorry, we don't have money. So I never actually did it. Right. Okay. They like we set up a deal, and they're like, okay, I'm just gonna get the money from the marketing department, and then they didn't say anything, and so I messaged them and I was like, doing this, and they didn't say anything for like a month, and they're like, oh yeah, we just need to get the funding next quarter, and then it was like another month, and they're like, sorry, we just really delayed. Watch it work out after I've gotten a job and I don't desperately need the money. Oof, indeed. I shouldn't have gotten so excited and told like literally everyone about it, but I was so excited. But I'm sure it's actually helpful to have freelanced. Synced. No one knows it. I don't think no. Yeah, unless they watch this. No, I mean it's fine if no. I should have just waited though until like Martin, working. Martin, don't tell anyone. I don't care. Okay, what is the thing that is happening here? And post email value. Wait, I think I have a different one. It's her email. Email. Yes, same thing. We're still working on it. Love it. So happy. This is still not working. I think I have. No, so it did, but not in Heroku. And that's the problem. So, like, not hosted, it worked. Hosted, it didn't, and I need it to work. It did. So. I don't. Maybe. It's apparent. I think it's basically just because Google's so anal. They're like, people are trying to access this. Are you sure you want that? Go through 5 million hoops. That's yeah. It said do email. Just email? Email key and value are in double. That's the point, is they're dumb. I don't think this is gonna work for me because I put the literal email side of it. Let's see. Send my actual email? Gmail. I have 5 emails I'm logged in. Neck hurts. I don't even know how long I've been streaming because I have 3 different streams for today. Hey, MG, look, it did it. Wait. I've been pranked by myself. Look at this. I was like, oh my gosh, it did something. And I was like, wait a second, I didn't say that. December 14th. What is that feature? I can add it. I don't know what it is. So that didn't. What if I say Oh. I wonder how I get that to work. I mean, I know I've been streaming for an hour and 41 minutes on this particular stream. And I guess we could go look at the 2 others. Still can't believe I did that. Ouch. .body.e. Work.body. I don't know if that's gonna work for me. I don't, it's... Where did they get this? No, they literally put in miscellaneous address. Sorry for bonking. Funny word, isn't it? Bonk. Naughton and Dom, you both are gonna do this boot camp together. Accountability buddy. Do it. What did they do here? Postman. If I just do this, will it work, I wonder? I don't think so. You're a bad request. Bad syntax. It is judging me right now. What if I say user? Not what I want. So close. I think maybe. I just am missing a thing. I don't have a thingy. Just this being here though should send it in the thing. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna be bold. We're going to save it. Exit our server. Oh. Fuck up. We're gonna push it. And then see if it works that way. Knowing my luck. But you know what? That's okay. Wait, we want to include. me. One always wants to date. Doing. Status. Add. Modify. Push. And now it's like get Heroku push master, I think. It was something. I think yes, that is right. Maybe I need to log in or something. Maybe it's Heroku git push. Git push Heroku. I just got git push Heroku. Beautiful. Let me bomb if this likely. Also, guess what? You two are the only ones I've told about this because you're the only two here. I got affiliate. We got 50 followers. That means that people can have nice emotes if I make them, which I haven't, but like, maybe if I... That will be in the future. But it's exciting! I'm excited! I think I have a friend who does like art, and I think she makes some... Yeah, I did! So excited. I had all the requirements except for... I just hit that sometime when I was not streaming. No, I didn't. I found out like at 10 a.m. Like I logged on. It was like I got on Twitch because I forgot what time I was streaming at, so I was looking at my schedule. And then it was like, surprise! You're an affiliate! And I was like, ah! Wow, 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 wow. Thank you. Is oh, I already did this. Oh my goodness, I'm so great. And humble. It's not working. Look at it not doing it. That's okay. Knew it wouldn't work, didn't we? My little... Y'all, have y'all upgraded to Windows 11? This is very familiar to me. Unfortunately. Had this error so many times today. Heroku. The Heroku. Wait, what did I ask? I forgot. You're selling 10 what? Windows. Okay. Yes, definitely. Yeah, Windows 11 is kind of bugging me. You did, but you also reinstalled Windows all the time, so switch back to 10. It's like mostly fine, but my biggest beef with it right now is I can't go here like this and see my bottom bar thing. I only can do that on my main screen. So I have to go all the way to my main screen and then click whatever there. And it's just like, ugh. Windows 10 didn't do that. Let's read this beast. Good. And generate. Is that what that's called? Taskbar. Yes, I don't. You can see that I don't have it down here. See how it's not doing anything? Like it doesn't pop up. Like I have it hidden for streaming because I think it looks better, but I might just need to, I don't know. Okay, I loved all of those. Feeling positive with maybe I should look more. I used to have. I'm using this OAuth 2. Ooh. Okay. It's OAuth 2. Said, I hope you. Someone had this problem. They said, I hope you solved your issue 11 months ago. Oof. Look, it's another guide. Hey. 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 Oh my goodness, it's so short. I'm struggling a little. Overview. Functions. Functions. Sign up for the free trial to start using it. That I can do without paying. Okay, we'll right now. I had no idea that's what that was called. Setting. Behaviors. So it's checked. It says, you look at it. Windows 11, everyone. So, hidden, right? Do it on all displays. Oh! Stay. Stay with me. So I don't know. Doing dumb stuff. What if we don't hide the taskbar? Stay for it? Maybe I'll just have to keep the taskbar. What? So much happened. Where did it come from? This is the music. It was on this other page. Yeah, must be. Right, we were complaining about how this was money. So we can't use this. Not gonna be. What's happening? Let's look for something else. Is that my error? I don't think that was my error. Where's the new access token? Ooh. It's like the first one is the only one that's the one I can use. Alright, I know I stopped doing this because it was money. How long have I been trying to fix this? For at least 2 hours, I think. So I did, earlier today we worked on called post request. It wasn't working. Figured that out, and then we went to this and another 2 glorious hours. What's Tokenuri? Oh, token URI. All right. I don't see that anywhere in here. Ooh. It's like, all right, this extra link will help your problem. Extra link, like this extra link will help your problem. Click it. This extra link will help your problem. We click this one and see if it does the same. 19? Maybe you will. This, we did this, 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 this. Look, they did a different thing here. Alright. That's a lot more clear than the other thing I was looking at that did that one. Nice. Oh. That. They put in the redirect URI. Guess I could do that. FiniteSingularity, welcome back! Thanks for the raid! Ah, you're like one of my favorite streamers. How have y'all been doing? What have you been working on? We are working on a contact form with NodeMailer and Gmail. Gmail, who is like, I don't want anyone to connect with me. Yes, I am. I'm working on the dictionary because we hadn't figured out the. Thank you for the follow. I can't read Korean text, unfortunately, but thank you for the follow. A skiing telemetry app, so you can ski on stream, showing how slow you're going. Oh my gosh, that's so cool! Programming is so cool. Wow. Share it with me. I go skiing too. Occasionally. Once a season. That's so cool. Ski on stream. Hell yeah. A little more exciting than what we're doing. We're problem solving. That is what we're doing. Yeah. Basically, Google is like, I don't want anyone accessing anything because I'm private and everything is like two-factor authentic. Good luck trying to connect stuff. And NodeMailer's like, And Google's like, yeah, well, you could use OAuth too. It's gonna be rough. Indeed, Velu. Or the head one. The helmet. They have some helmet bags. Okay. So I was copying this, wasn't I? Okay. They didn't make this an object though. Yeah, thanks, Finite. Have a good sleep. Thank you for the raid. I really appreciate it. And welcome all y'all. Thanks for coming. GoPro. I have a GoPro. I kind of hate the like fisheye effect though. I'm gonna get rid of this. Ah, that is not the thing that I copied. I think I need to put it. Get a string. HTTPS. Wait, what is it saying here? Now we're going to use the refresh token to get an access token. And then that one was like, what expire? We didn't. Well, we kind of did that. Yes, we did. You know, this is not the right refreshToken. Ah, it's because it's token. I feel like I should rate. I haven't ever rated before. I always love it when people rate me, though. It's so nice to meet you. And then it's so. We have all these things, I think. Hey Nard, thanks for following. Oops. Appreciate it. Reject unauthorized. We have everything we need. There. But I don't want to hard code it. Okay. All right. We're going to try this. We're going to open our dictionary. And cross your fingers. It would be so nice if this worked. Okay, I don't think it's going to work. It's not. I love NodeMailer. I love Google. It's so nice. So great. Okay, well. Handled prompt rejection. Alright, where's... what's happening here? I tried to do this once and... oh my gosh, I didn't. You're right. Thank you. For me. Good changes. And then it was the git push her master. Thank you. Oh. Okay, let's go back to the contact. See if it's done doing its. I hated it. I did the thing where. Okay, we gotta erase the builds because we're cheap and we don't have money and we don't want to pay. All right. How did I delete it? I deleted it already today, which means I've committed a lot. Did I? Oh, I think I did it on here. And it was something. How to... build cache. That's what that's called. It is current Heroku Restart. All right. And this is how you do free. All right. I wonder if I still need to do the git push Heroku master. It appears that I did. Okay. Hey Irish, thanks for following. Or it's just downloading. Hey El, thanks for following. Appreciate all y'all. Also, I think I rushed a little doing stuff. Respect. I think it's ready. Okay. That poor bird. I mean, just keeps dying. It's a well-trained bird. Okay, we haven't got an error message yet, but because it's taken, I should open the Gmail though. Okay. I haven't got anything. But it hasn't given the error message either. My computer sounds like it's gonna blow up. Okay, it did the thing that we asked it to do, so. Roku logs, just tail. It hates it. It hates the client ID. What about it? What is wrong with it? Missing. Line 99. Y'all see what it's having problems with here? What? Let me know. It has to be an object because everywhere I look, there's not an object. I'll make it one. We may have to push it again. Okay. I saw it. Should we try it? Should we push it just in case? Is that the only? I'm sure it's not. Oh, I should look up specifically in Node Mailer. Alright, I have like 5 million windows open. Here's that one that I had that... Yeah. So it was the client. So here it is. They didn't make it an object here. Yeah, that is a fancy term I do not. Can you explain it to me? I'm a baby coder. Okay. Like I don't need to define it, or I just don't need it? They have the clientId. Ah, okay, I get you. I get you. Oh. Oh, right, right. Loves it. Should we try and again? My little square on... Hello? My little square on GitHub is gonna be so green today. Really dark green. Add. Do again? We just did this. What was it? It was some Heroku Restart, wasn't it? Yes. Can't believe I already hit that again, which means maybe I only like erased one. I wonder. It's probably done, right? Now I'd like jump to the done, isn't that what people say? And I didn't wait for that, so we're gonna wait this. Build succeeded. Okay, now I think we're done. Do that a little bit. We're gonna back to that. Alright, everyone. Hello? Loading. Bit of a yikes. Uh-oh. Did we break it? Application warning sums up your life. Certainly the bane of my existence. Alright. Heroku logs. Doesn't like this TLS thing. Which they said it was. Or I didn't do a comma. That's what it was. Yeah. Love small syntax. Can you imagine if like humans were like computers, and if you made like one small mistake, like you positioned like you get in the car but you're not like sitting the right way, and you just couldn't like weren't sitting the right. Again. So. It would be. And I think that's often like why like, computers are so frustrating to me, because we have that sort of flexibility as humans and sentient beings that computers don't, you know? And then you kind of expect them to have that as well, but they don't. Purely logic based. I'm surprised it didn't tell us. Oh. Heroku. Is this more fun to look at, or the ginormous chunky error message? All right. The chunky. Work, please, work, please, work. Nice. Heroku process seems kind of bad, so you don't. That's how it's supposed to be. Why is it saying? I mean, like when like here, or like in the error message. They have like a list of builds, and honestly what I probably should be doing is I should probably be using post, but for some reason I decided this was a better course of action. But here we are. But see, like, here, it shows me all the builds is that I'm building, like. But honestly, Heroku does kind of suck. And the reason why I'm using it is because it's free hosting. Yes. That's where I'm at in my life. Didn't work, y'all. It's broken now. No refresh token. Hmm. $108. This. That's it. I wonder if this is... I mean, it looks like it's liquid. And maybe... Art was saying maybe we don't need the... You have to sneeze. But I didn't. I feel like that's worse. Do we think that will do what we wanted to do? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I can't, it's gone now that I paid attention to it. That's so nice of it. Okay. Should I try with Postman now? The problem with Postman is I can't input email it's supposed to send it to. Like I stopped. But for now, we're just gonna keep being inefficient as hell. I'm just getting lazier. We just push too much to be not lazy. Inefficient 24/7. Alright, I'm gonna beat it to the chase and I'm gonna say Heroku Restart right now before it tells me that. Because we're Unknown Cheap, thanks for the follow. Okay, wait. We already did. We tried to beat it to the chase and still it rejected us. The option is to use a mail service instead. Yeah, so we got this working on my server. On a server. On my computer. The problem is Heroku. Like, and specifically Gmail's like, I don't trust Heroku. So we could do that. I wonder, like it probably would work, but not solve. Everyone say rude. We tried to beat it to the chase and it said no. Heroku's like, yo, why are you committing so much? Once, right? Okay. Finger crossing doesn't do anything. Let's be real. Y'all. So I think this is the same error. Yeah, it is. So we didn't solve the problem. Is it? I swear it's the same. It was on the same line. That's why I went back to this one, because it didn't recognize this. Or was it? Token use here. I'll use those. Wait. Are you just talking about this or this or? 4 minutes ago. Ah. Wait. So that's for the in the node module. We go back to look at that random person's thing and see what they do for that token. Maybe I don't have it with a key value pair. In the so these all probably need to be key value pairs then, right? And then probably the same with the rest of them, right? So that's what they do. All need to be. Maybe. Key is the same as the variable name. Use the shorthand. Ah. So is it just because I have the my on it? Okay. This is the issue before we go do the thing again. So I think. Except they don't ever call it my access token. Access token. Wonder if I should. That's secret. Still need a refresh token. Don't I have it there? Oh, you're right. Oh my. That's all I would think. Right? I did? Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm very sus. be a question mark indeed. Maybe cautiously not quite optimistic. Hey Hood Intruder, welcome back. How is your gaming? Shh. I don't think I should do the Roku thing before because it was just gonna get mad at me. Just those shady leaks. No, I got raided by FiniteSingularity. It was so nice. Raided me like 50 times now. Get Roku Master so it can reject me. Rejected? Yep. Okay. Start. You got killed? Wait, is it like a first-person shooter game? Kind of. Is it a zombie game? Kind of sounds like. Ah. Interesting. Zombies? I don't know. I cannot handle horror to save my life. I once watched 30 minutes of like a possession horror movie and straight up had nightmares for. I was like 15. But... Are we ready? Oh, really? Alright guys, it didn't work again. Are they like friendly looking zombies? Cannot read access token. So we didn't fix anything. You know what's predictable? This not working. I'm laughing, but I'm crying inside. It was not grabbing the access token. Maybe I'll just make it access token. I doubt that's gonna change literally anything, but like copy that. I already stated what these were earlier, but maybe I need to do that again. Process.env. I have them defined. I have them defined, right? So we didn't ever set this equal to anything. Is that important? That's important. We're the same as these? Even though they didn't either. And they just straight up put it in. I think maybe that's it. But this should be grabbing it. It shouldn't be defining. My set credentials? Wait. Right, we made it a not object. It's what I should do. That's what. Oh my gosh. My goodness. Hooded intruder, did you get any sleep? Please take care of yourself. Okay. So. Oh no, I got rid of the thing. But why does it have an underscore though? Then it's not equal to this one, right? Video games think going to school work. I think I also need to write out the process.env for all these. I think. This one. This will be the time it work. At least. Heroku Git. Can't do what it says. Oh my gosh, did it do it? Be surprised. Ow. All right. That was a shorter load. Hey Velu, thanks for following. So there is a But it didn't say anything here either. Nothing? Something went wrong, clearly. Thank you. Get it? Alright, let's find this error message. It says everything else worked. Can we... Thank you so much for all your help, Nart. I appreciate you. Good night or good day, depending on where you are. So, it works. I mean, it doesn't work, but like, the rest of it works, just not the actual part. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I'm like trying to be like, it's okay, you're kind of getting somewhere. We're kind of getting somewhere. And now it's just not sending the message. So those are pulled out from the body. I only have I started programming in October 2020. That's like 15 months. I'm a baby. Okay. We wrap this in a oops. Beneficial twist. Okay. Not be beneficial. I know more than I used to. But since this is wrapped in a console log, it's not working. Maybe we don't do that. Console log bricked up body. Oh. And that's going on up. Mister. No, it says. So weird. It's just like it's mad and then it doesn't. Okay, but what I'm really curious about is how dark this square is. 15 contributions. Every other day it's like 1, but not today. Today we have many. So many. Terrorize her games to nightmares. Right. I didn't fix anything. I don't know. I'm shocked that it did that. I was just trying to get it to do the thing it didn't do. Does anyone know why it's not console logging this? on my own-ish. I was part of an online bootcamp for free called 100 Devs. And so, like, it wasn't anything official, but pretty robust curriculum. Started a new cohort on January 11th. It's $3. But yeah, so like technically like on my own, but not with like a university or anything. I majored in Spanish and philosophy. It didn't do the thing we want. Dogs free. But a really crunchy popcorn. Maybe I'll stop here. I need to write myself like a note to like remind myself exactly what's up, which is it doesn't seem to be getting anything. Not getting body or console login. That's problem, right? Do it. And that's a good thing, I think. Keep track. See, that's what happened. Like, I worked on this like 3 weeks ago, and I spent like the first half of this like just like, you know. There was another console log that it did not console log message either, because breakdown body. Beautiful. Did a lot today, like 16 commits worth. Rip. Done this 15 times, and yet I still have to remind myself when 15 times tonight. Add. At. Or at. I wonder if I need to push that to Heroku at all, because it didn't change the code at all. Don't need to, right? Alright, y'all. I've never done a raid before. You guys be interested in that? Is that something I should do? I feel like I should pass on the love, you know what I'm saying? Pass on the love and appreciate all y'all. Also, how do you raid? Tell I'm new to Twitch. Let me figure out how to do it first. Also, I listen to this music so much. I tried to use different music yesterday from YouTube. Is that all you have to do? Really? Oh. Wow, 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 wow. But I don't know the channel. Channel should we raid? Anyone have any? We could do Freckled Science. Streaming right now. Right. Alright, I'm not sure if it's gonna be like goodbye, or if it will just cut me off. So if it does, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. I appreciate all your help and your company, and I hope we have less problems with coding in the near future. We figured this out. Didn't work. Do it. Raid. You just don't do the brackets? Is that what's up? Oops. No? Okay. Alright, it's working. Thanks for being here, y'all. Appreciate you. Let's raid now. We're ready.